Al-Quran has the solution to terrorism. One verse of the Quran is sufficient for the major solution of terrorism. Allah says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 32, if anyone kills any other human being, unless it be for murder or for spreading corruption in the land, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. Allah says in the Quran, if anyone, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, kills any other innocent human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, unless it be for murder or for spreading corruption in the land, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. And the verse does not stop, the verse continues. And if anyone saves any other human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, if you save any innocent human being, it is as though you have saved the whole of humanity. This one verse of the Quran is the major solution for terrorism.